Hello, in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can get OP ITO Clicker on Mac. This is a very quick and easy tutorial. You want to search on Google for get OP ITO Clicker, and then you want to click on the first website, which is OP ITO Clicker. Now after that, you want to search here for Mac. As you can see, download for Mac. You can either download for App Store or click on the download folder on this download button. After you click on it, as you can see, it will download shortly, just a few seconds. As you can see, this is the file in the top right. Press and hold, drag it to your desktop here. I know this is different from the Mac, but the same thing. Now this is the folder. Just right click on it, just extract it. Okay. So after you extract it, you will be able to find here everything here. This is the ITO Clicker. Click on it and then install it on your Mac. Okay, very simple. Okay, just click on this Mac SX and then you want to install the program, the software inside the file, and then you will be able to use OP ITO Clicker on your Mac. So hopefully this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions or anything like that, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. Drop a like, that would be highly appreciated, and see you in the next tutorial.